Hello,
Hello,
how are you, Kalpana?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also good. Okay, Kalpana, what do you do?
Uh, uh,
Kalpana, please introduce yourself.
yeah, of course, ma'am. I am Kalpana. I'm connecting you from Noida. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have done MA, BA, and qualified CTET, UPTET. Along with that, I have 5 year experience in teaching. Now I am a tutor as well as I am a mother of 2 children. If I talk about my hobby, so I love teaching, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Okay. So I think you are so fond of studies. You have studied so much.
Yes, ma'am. And yeah, I didn't. I would like to add something in my introduction. So, I am a learner of English language. So, I run a YouTube channel. So, where I upload my conversation videos.
Okay. So when did you start your channel?
I started my channel 6 months ago.
Okay. So how's it doing?
It's not growing, but I am trying.
So Kalpana, why do you want to improve your English?
Because in order to improve my communication skills.
Okay. So that is why you are improving your English.
Yes,
So
yes,
do you
yes.
teach in
And
a school? Yeah.
I love to interact with people. So I would like to converse in English.
Okay.
That's why I'm learning.
Okay. You like to meet new people and you like to interact with new people. And you want to learn
Yes.
English. That is why you speak in English. Okay.
Yes.
So, where do you teach? Are you teaching in a school?
Now, no, I don't teach in school. I am a tutor, so I teach in a academy. In my academy.
Okay, you are teaching in an academy, which is your own academy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what do you teach in your academy?
In my academy, I teach class 3rd to 8th class, and 3 to 5th I deliver the all teaching. I deliver the all the subject, and 5 to 6 to 8 I teach only 6 and science and math.
Okay. So, you are teaching all subjects to classes 3 to 8.
3 to 5.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So, you are teaching all subjects to classes 3, 4, and 5. And from classes 6 to 8, you are only teaching maths and science. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, which subject do you like the most?
I like my math and science.
Okay. So, children struggle the most with English, maths, and science, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Because these are the main subject.
Right. So, how many students do you have in your academy?
So I have started my own academy recently, 1 month ago. So now these days I have 10 students.
Okay. So, you recently started your academy just 1 month back,
Yes.
and right now you have 10 students. Okay.
Yes.
Do they all come together or you teach them separately?
I teach for 2 arts. So I have divided in both batches, like 6 to 8. And 3 to 5th I teach separately, 3 to 5th class, and 6 to 8 I teach separate.
Okay. So, you have created two groups. In one group, there
Yes.
are students from classes 3, 4, 5, and in the other group, there are students from classes 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Yes.
And tell me about your children.
About my children, I have 2 children. So my daughter is elder and she is 13 years old, and my son and the other one is my son. So he is 7 years old. And my daughter is in his 9th standard, and my son is in 2nd standard.
Okay. So, do you teach your son also in the group of 3, 4, 5?
No. I teach separately. Yeah.
You teach your son separately. And what about your daughter?
Whenever she got any kind of difficulty, then she asked me about her study. Otherwise, she have a tuition to her.
Okay. She takes tuitions from someone else, but apart from that, if she has any difficulty or any doubt, then only you help her. Okay.
Yes.
So do you help your son with homework also?
Yes, ma'am. I have to do tuition homework and school homework. Like I teach him, so I give also the homework.
Okay. Your son doesn't take tuitions from outside, no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you give tuition homework
Till
also.
eighth class. Till eighth class, I taught my daughter. Now she is in ninth standard, so she goes to the academy.
Okay. Now she's taking tuitions from outside, but till class 8, you were teaching her,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So in your children's school, is there English speaking atmosphere in their school?
Yes, ma'am. There is a English speaking atmosphere, and she speak very well now. And my son is trying to learn.
Okay. So the teachers speak in English in their school. That is why your daughter
Yeah.
speaks very well.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, my daughter speak very well because they are in her school there is an environment of English, so she is able to speak out. And my son is small, so he is learning, and I also teach him
Okay.
how to speak in English.
Mhm. And what about your husband? Does he speak English?
Yes, ma'am, and he is a good speaker in English.
Oh.
And he is a DVP in HDFC Bank, so he is good speaker.
Okay. He speaks English very well. Okay. So your children speak English with him?
Yeah, sometime because my husband does not have that time, too much time to spend with them. Like my husband goes to office in the morning 8 o'clock, and he comes back 10 or 11. So when sometimes when he comes, my children always get to sleep. So, and whenever they get time, so they speak sometime Hindi and sometime in English.
Okay. So your husband is quite busy. He comes back
Yeah.
so late that he normally doesn't get any time to spend with the kids. He leaves at
Yes.
8 o'clock in the morning and he comes back at around 10 or 11. By that time, your kids are already asleep most of the times. But when they are awake and they all get to speak with each other, then they try to speak English. Right?
Yes, and on only on the weekend they have time, so they speak each other.
Okay.
Like whenever I speak in English, so they also try to speak in English. Otherwise, our environment is Hindi.
Okay. So your husband only gets time on weekends. So on weekends, he gets enough time to spend with the children.
Yes.
Then they all speak with each other. Then they all talk to each other and sometimes they speak in English.
Yes,
So where are you from, Kalpana?
I'm from Noida,
Oh, you are from Noida. Which sector?
6 sector 16.
Okay. So were you born in Noida only?
No. I was born and brought up in Agra, but recently after marriage, I have come here and I live here with my husband.
How many years back?
Earlier, I used to live in Ghaziabad. Recently, 2 months ago, I have shifted here.
Okay. Just 2 months ago, you shifted to Noida. So are you liking Noida?
No, because of schools and his office, so we have to shift here.
Okay. But did you like Noida?
Yes, I like because I live in a society, so there is a environment is so good. So my children can play in the park and they enjoy a lot here. So I like also.
Okay. So you also got to socialize with other people, and there are so many people in the society that you
Yes.
also must have made a lot of friends.
No, ma'am. There is so much there is many people in the society, but I didn't get the chance to interact them because we had only 2 months, and in 2 months we are busy in our settle the house and admission in the school. So I was busy with that. So, and people are also busy in their life, they don't have time to interact. So whenever I go somewhere through the lift, so then I interact with them. Not I don't like that. I don't like to go their home to interact. I don't like.
Okay.
And whenever the festival is celebrating in the society, then I interact.
So you mean to say it's been only 2 months. There are a lot of people in the society, but since it's been only 2 months, you did not get a chance to interact with them much. And you didn't go to anyone's place. When you are going through the lift or when you meet them at the festival, then only you get a
Yes.
chance to interact with them. And you were
Yes,
busy
yes.
with, unpacking, settling your house and getting them admitted to new schools because you got shifted to a
Yes,
new
yes.
place. So you were busy
Yes.
with all that. That is why you
Yes.
couldn't socialize. Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
But I love to be a socialized.
You love to socialize with other people.
Is it?
Okay. So
Yes.
you want to be socially active, right?
Yes.
Tell me something great about this society which you really liked.
Earlier I told you, like, in my society there is a big park and swimming pool and badminton court, and so much facilities here. So I like the society, and there is no any problem to live here. I always I wanted to live that kind of society.
Okay. So you always wanted to live in this kind of a place where you get to meet so many people and all the festivals are celebrated together. So you are loving this place and you are not facing a single problem here, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
are
yes, yes.
your
And
in-laws
now
with,
my
yeah.
now my children are very happy very happy here. So I also happy.
They are happy. That is why you are also happy. So have they made some new friends?
No, I didn't get the chance. I told you, and
No. I said
now,
your children. Have they made new friends?
yeah. Yes. My son has lot of friend in the park, and he always try to go in the park. Mama, please go. Let me go. Let me go. So he always ready to go in park.
Okay. Are your in-laws with you in this house?
No. I am living in a nuclear family. There is 4 members in my family. Me, my husband, and my 2 kids.
Okay, there are 4 people in your family, you, your husband, and your 2 kids. And your in-laws, they live in Ghaziabad?
No. My in-laws house in Aligarh. So in in-laws house, I lived to in in-laws house 10 years ago, and now I have to shift it here because of the my husband. So
Okay. So you used to live with your in-laws till 10 years back, but now because of your husband's job, you shifted here. So
yes.
did you bring all the stuff to this new house or you just brought the essential things? Did you bring all the stuff from that house to this house or you just brought the essential stuff?
No. I did not bring anything from my in-laws house.
Oh.
I did not take anything from my in-laws house.
I'm not saying in-laws house. I'm saying earlier you were living in Ghaziabad, right?
Yes.
So from Ghaziabad wala house, did you bring everything from that house to this house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that was a rented house? That was a rented house?
No, it's my own house. It's my own house.
Okay. So you
and that was also my own house, and I have sold it, and then I purchased it.
Okay. Actually, shifting from one place to another is very difficult. So how did you move
Yes.
all the furniture and all the stuff from that house to this one?
Yeah, I had a packer mover, so then
Okay.
I shifted here, and
Okay.
they helped me a lot to
Okay.
shifted all the things from old house to new house.
Okay, you so took the help of movers and packers for doing
Yes,
this.
movers and packers. Yes.
Okay, okay. Are your
And
children happy?
my
Yeah, yeah. Please go
sorry.
on. Yeah, please go on.
And my brother-in-law and my sister is was also with us to help to move here.
Okay. So they also helped you with shifting.
It's shifting.
Right. Okay. So are your children happy in Noida or they were happier in Ghaziabad?
Now they are more happy than to the Ghaziabad.
Okay. So they are happier here.
Yes.
And what about their school? When they left their school, were they unhappy? Were they sad when they left their school?
Earlier, my son always be happy and my if I talk about my daughter, so she has grown enough to understand better. So earlier she got difficulties to make a friend to get the habit in new school, but now she is okay, she is happy and she has lot of friend in her school now. She is, but sometimes she miss her friends.
Okay. So initially she used to miss her school and her school friends, but now she has
Yes.
adjusted to the new school and she has made some new friends and now she is happy in this school, right?
Yes, she is happy. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So, ma'am, I have lot of I have watched your lot of videos. So that time, I opted to interact with you, and I sent you so many mail, but I didn't get the chance to interact you. And again, I have tried. Like I should try one more. So then you accept my mail and you send me message. That time I feel happy. I felt happy and I want to have conversations. Now I am happy to see you.
Yeah, I am also so
1
happy
year
and
ago, I
excited to
thought.
talk to you. Yeah, actually, I
1 year
don't.
I thought.
Yeah, one.
1 year ago, 1 year ago, I thought about our conversation between us, and now is now it is come true.
Oh, you sent me your first message 1 year back. For 1 year, you have been
Yes,
trying to connect with me.
yes,
Oh
yes,
my
yes,
God.
yes.
Actually, I never ignore anyone's messages. I try to, respond to every single message. I don't know how come I didn't reply to you for 1 year. How is it possible?
Yes, yes. And 1 year I tried so many times, but that time then I left. I will try next time. Now, 1 month ago, again I have started watching your videos. Then I again thought I should try again.
Oh,
So
thank you so
I
much.
get the chance.
You have so much patience, Kalpana. I had no idea that you had been trying for 1 year. Actually, I don't ignore anyone's messages on purpose. It just happens because there are so many messages. I want
Yes,
to
sir.
give chance to everyone, and I also love to talk to new people. So I'm also so happy that we finally interacted. Finally,
Yes.
yeah.
So I also wanted to have conversation for my channel too, and I want to my viewers. I want my viewers. They also know about you. Like I have been seeing your videos.
Okay. So you want your viewers also to see my videos, and you want your viewers to know about me, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes.
So Kalpana, how do you have conversation for your channel? Do you do it on Skype?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a Skype channel and I have uploaded lot of conversations video. But I never be a consistency. So my channel is not growing because of the consistency. I converts only for my practice, not uploading the video, not growing on the YouTube. But I have created my channel for my practicing. So that's why it's not growing. But I never mind about my channel. I just happy to have conversation, and I upload my videos. Whenever they come across my channel, my videos, so they also want to know I with whom I'm making videos. I am having conversations.
Okay. So you have created your channel just to improve your English fluency and to learn
Yes.
English, not to upload
Yes.
videos and to grow on YouTube. So that is why you don't
Yes.
care if you upload the video or not. You worry about practicing English, not to, just upload it on YouTube. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So you are only available from 3 to 6.
No, ma'am. In the morning, 11 to 1 and 3 to 4.
Okay. In the morning, 11 to 1 also
Okay.
you have time.
Yes. After finishing the whole chores, then I free. If I have a chance to conversation with other person, then I have. Otherwise, I practice on my English.
Okay. So how do you practice English every day?
I listen the conversations video, then I recall after the conversation video, and I read a book and listen. I listen the most because and you have said like when you more listen, you will more get.
Yeah.
So and this because of this, I am listening more.
So if you are watching or listening to a lot of English content, then you would become fluent, but you have to speak also, because listening means you are putting English in your head and speaking means it is coming out of your mouth. So जितना अंदर डालोगे उतना ही बाहर भी आना चाहिए. So speaking practice is also very important.
Yes. And whenever I listen the conversation video or the podcast video, then I speak, then I recall the same, and I record the. I also record my videos. Then I listen, and whenever I have made the mistake, then I again Then I try to rectify the mistake.
Very good.
Kind of practice I am doing.
This is an efficient method to practice English. You speak on a topic or maybe about something and then you record yourself. After that, you listen to that audio and then you see what mistakes you have made. Then you try to rectify the mistakes. That's great. That is a very good way. And you do practice in front of the mirror also?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't feel I don't feel like good in standing in front of the mirror and speak out. So I don't feel good. So I do not do.
Okay, so you don't do that because you don't feel like practicing in front of the mirror. Okay. Then apart from this, do you use some app also?
Yeah, earlier I have the subscription of the English Yari, and where I practice with the English Yari tutor.
Okay. So you have not taken the free subscription, you have taken the paid subscription where you get connected to English Yari tutors. And how are the tutors?
Tutors are good, and whenever I make mistake, they suggest me, and about the fluency, about the learning, they suggest me how to learn.
Okay. So
I'm trying, but I feel I'm not improving.
Okay, you think that you are not improving.
Means improvement is not seen.
Okay.
See, improvement is not seeing me, but I feel like it is going very slowly.
Okay. You mean you are practicing and you're devoting a lot of time to learning English, but you are not able to see the improvement. And you think that you are improving very slow. It's going very slow.
Yes.
So how much time are you devoting to learning English every day?
2.5 hours.
Okay. So for 2.5 hours, you watch English conversations?
I watch, I listen, I read, everything I do in 2.5 hours.
Within 2.5 hours, you speak also, right? So reading, listening, watching, speaking, everything included? Okay. If you keep doing that, I think you will improve a lot and if you think that improvement is very slow, then you can try devoting a little more time. Maybe you can start giving 3 hours every day.
Okay.
It's difficult, no?
I listen the conversation video 1 hour daily.
Okay.
In
And
the evening, whenever I am in the kitchen, so I listen, and while I'm doing anything, so I listen most.
okay. So you keep listening to English content while you are doing your work, right? While doing the household chores, you keep listening to English content. That's
Yes,
great,
yes.
so that you actually don't waste your time while doing the household chores also. So that's a
Yes.
efficient utilization of time, actually.
Yes, whenever I am alone in my house, so I make my environment in English. Like I am listening, so I make my environment in English. And if I watch the videos, so then that is also my environment of English. I am reading, I am writing. So whenever I am alone, so I make my environment in English.
Okay. So people, complain that there is no English environment around me, and you create your own English environment. That's great. People shouldn't complain. They should create that environment if it is not there, because nobody else is going to do that for you. You will have to do it yourself.
Yes, yes. So, and if I tell, like in a 10 hours, I live I would be an English environment for 5 to 6 hours.
Okay. So you surround yourself with English for about 5 to 6 hours every day out of 10 hours,
Yes.
which is great.
Yes.
So English Yari is a good app, that means.
Yeah, it is good, and and I'm not improving, so I feel like I have to work on myself.
You have to work on yourself. You have to read more, write more, consume more English content, and you have to speak more. I mean, for how long do you speak every single day?
I speak 1 hour. Like today, I speak 1 hour on audio call, and now I am conversing this time. So I half an hour, and in evening I will practice, like I am listening, then I recall. So it means I speak 2 hours.
Okay, that's great. Kalpana, you are on the right path. You are listening to English content, you are watching English content, you are practicing English, and you're speaking also, and you're reading also. So don't worry, you will be very, very fluent with time. And actually, you spoke well. You spoke well. Don't think that you have not improved. You have improved. I think you have improved.
I make so many mistakes while speaking. Sometime after delivering my thought, then I remember, no, I have made the mistake, and now I have to rectify. Then I go back and I rectify my mistake.
Yeah, it's a good sign that you yourself know what mistakes you are making. And sometimes you make mistakes out of nervousness only. Maybe you are good at English and you make mistakes only because of nervousness. It happens because I think you don't make a lot of video calls, no? You mostly practice on audio calls.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in the beginning, when we have in the beginning of the conversation, for 10 minutes, I was so nervous. But now I am confident to speak out.
Okay. Now you are comfortable with me, right?
Yes. And in the starting, for 10 minutes, I was so nervous, and I'm not delivering. I was not delivering that much good.
Don't worry. Mistakes are important, and I would encourage you to make mistakes, because mistakes are your best friends. Without mistakes, you can't learn anything. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Even I make mistakes sometimes. It happens, and even native speakers, they make mistakes. So don't worry about that. And I would say all the best, Kalpana.
Thank you.
We'll meet again, and we'll do another conversation for your channel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I will wait for you.
Yeah. Okay. All the best. Bye-bye. Have a great day.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am. And same to you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.